Hello guys and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to install the HShop app on 3DS. Firstly, from the 3DS home screen, open the FBI app. Inside it, choose Remote Install from the list of options and next, select Scan QR Code for the options. Use your 3DS camera to scan the QR code provided, and then, after scanning the QR code successfully, accept the prompt to begin the download. Once the download is complete, press the home button and you will now see the HShop app on your home screen, and tap the icon to launch the app. You can install a maximum of 300 apps on your 3DS, and if you have a 265 GB Sumo 3DS, you should be able to install up to 290 apps. And that's it guys, thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.